Okay, so I've made something that I think is really, really cool, and I would like to show you just what it can do. It is a prompt suite. So it is basically a lot of small programs that ensures that you do not have to create that initial prompt in order to use a chatbot. I know that a lot of people feel like that initial prompt is hard. It's hard to figure out just what to write in that initial prompt. So I've tried to make it just a little bit easier for you. So let me show just what these programs can do. So you can see here it's a weird, URL address up here, but I'll link it down below. These are basically small HTML programs that I've made. They don't take up a lot of space, and what you have to do is just click on this, and then it will download to your computer. I will just open it right here. And here you can see I have a feedback prompt generator. I use this if I want to give feedback to my students on their written work. Then sometimes I get tired of writing too much. But when I deliver the feedback like this, I often find that I can go on for longer. So let's say, what tone would you like it to have? Well, let's say neutral. I would like for it to be in 3 points. And I think it should be medium. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, and then I'm just going to say it's going to be in English. This right down here is the output language. So if, for instance, you want to give feedback to someone in Spanish, you can do that. You just write Spanish, and then the prompt that comes out will tell the chatbot to translate it into Spanish. Okay, so then I'll just press start recording, and I have to allow this microphone to be used. You can see all of this is in Danish, but that doesn't really matter. What you'll see here is that it doesn't create the words right away, or the sentences right away. You have to just give it a few seconds to update. But again, I don't really find that to be a problem. Actually, I think it's quite nice that I am not forced to look at what I'm saying all the time. And you can see here that after a few seconds, it updates. So when I feel like I'm done, I simply press stop recording. And then I can say generate prompt. And then down here, I will have a prompt that I can simply say copy to clipboard. Now, my preferred chatbot when I'm doing school work is Copilot. I mean, it's not the best, but for our institution, it is simply the only one that we are pretty much allowed to use. So I simply input the prompt here, and I press go, and then it will generate my feedback for the students in a more polite language, and in with some headlines and so on. You can of course always, when you copy paste the or when you paste the prompt into your chatbot, you can just edit it as you wish. But again, this is what you get if you use Copilot and you use this prompt. So it's quite easy, and it's something that saves me a great deal of time. The next one that I have made for you right now is an image generator. Because I often find that when I have to make images, it's just hard to say what I want in the picture, and it's hard to say just how that prompt should be structured, what should be in it, and I always struggle to write it anyway. So I'm just going to fill this out, and then I'm going to return to you. Okay, so now I've just created this, not this prompt. I've created these things that I want in the prompt. So the subject and the main theme is a teacher with a dad bod, kind of like me. Dark blonde hair, kind of like me, with a wild beard, almost like me, looking amazed and surprised at the same time. The location and background, it's in a magical forest with huge trees and supernatural elements. It's neon colors in a happy mood. The style is cartoon style with exaggerated expressions and bold lines. The focus must be the teacher. The perspective is a long shot. We can see with the teacher in the middle ground. So let's say like that, extra elements, supernatural beasts. If you don't have any extra elements, just don't write anything. And then when you get the prompt and you copy paste it into your image creator, you just delete that. Okay, so let's see here. Now we have a prompt. So we're just going to copy this, and I'm going to go into, I use Leonardo for this. So let's see what we can do. So right now I am in Leonardo. I'm just going to paste in my prompt, and I'm going to generate. And I'm using the free plan, as I don't pay for anything that I can get for free. I know that it's probably better in the paid plan, but that doesn't really matter. So you can see here I have had 4 pictures generated for me, and I actually think that, you know, they look quite okay. I'm going to go with let's download this one, and this is going to be my thumbnail for this video. So again, quite easy. I only have 2 right now in the prompt suite. If this is a success, and if you want to, then I can generate some more. I think it's really it makes the whole creating a prompt much easier. This is made only for me. Well, you know, these prompts are made for you guys, because I have a prompt suite that is only in Danish, and I can just show you that one, where I have loads more actually. You can see here, there I have 6 at this present moment. But I think if this is a success and you express the wish for me to make more of these small bots for you, then we can do that. These are not AI, you know, they are just text, they are HTML files. But you know, I think they do a nice job. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel. This is the only video I have so far in English, but you know, if it turns out that I get some views on this, you know, then I might make some more. But I just wanted to show you this. So thank you very much for watching, and have a very, very pleasant day.